Are you confused about checking and savings accounts? If so, you're not alone. Many people wonder which account is best for their needs. Today, we'll break down the differences between checking and savings accounts. Our goal is to help you choose the right account for your lifestyle. Let's start with checking accounts. These accounts are perfect for everyday use. They allow you to deposit money and make withdrawals anytime. You can buy groceries or pay bills easily with a debit card linked to your checking account. Now, on to savings accounts. These accounts are meant for long-term savings. They help you set money aside for future goals. Savings accounts typically earn interest, allowing your funds to grow over time. Both account types serve unique purposes. Now, let's compare them side by side for a clearer view. First, checking accounts often have no limits on withdrawals. You can withdraw funds as needed, but they usually offer little to no interest. In contrast, savings accounts have withdrawal limits. This encourages you to save instead of spend. They often provide higher interest rates, which means your money grows. Next, let's consider fees. Checking accounts may come with monthly fees or minimum balance requirements. However, many banks offer ways to waive these fees. Savings accounts also sometimes have fees for certain withdrawals or low balances. Understanding these fees is crucial for effective money management. Now, let's discuss accessibility. Checking accounts provide easy access to your money. ATMs, online banking, and debit cards make transactions effortless. Savings accounts, while accessible, may require a transfer to your checking account for larger purchases. This can help you resist the temptation to spend. Let's look at a relatable example. Imagine you're a student managing your finances. A checking account helps you pay for tuition, books, and daily expenses. Meanwhile, a savings account lets you set aside money for emergencies or travel plans. This dual approach is essential for financial health. In summary, checking accounts are ideal for daily transactions. Savings accounts are more suited for long-term planning and growth. Choosing wisely can help you achieve your financial goals. So, how do you decide? Assess your spending habits and savings goals. Knowing your priorities is key to selecting the right account. Take action today. Consult with your bank or financial advisor. Explore what each account offers, and make an informed decision. Empower yourself with the right banking tools today. Your financial future starts with smart choices.